Hey, what's up, everybody? My name is Zach Lieb. Right here we got Mr. Yaku Volmerans here with Hayden Hull Cleaning. We're just wrapping up a nice topside wash and dry on this 40-foot Carver.
Beautiful boat.
We've been maintaining this boat for about 8 months now. Very nice owner. We've formed a very good relationship.
Yeah.
And we just thought you guys might want to see the end result here.
Yeah, we've done about a year ago. We did a full detail on it and the compounding and everything, and then we ended up protecting the whole boat, and it's showing because we're here once a month to maintain what we're doing, and it's absolutely showing.
Once a month. You want to maintain your boats.
Zero water spots on our boats. I mean, we really take care of our. We love it. We love taking care of our boats.
Check this out real quick. The owner actually applied an all grip paint to the black surface, but we maintain it for them. Anyone who has these black surfaces on their yachts that gets faded really quick, I'm gonna think about applying a really high quality topside paint, black paint to it, to avoid that fading that happens on those black panels. That happens so fast down here in the Florida sun.